How's it going, guys? Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So we got the soldering, I keep hitting myself, the soldering kit from, it's on AliExpress. It was actually pretty cheap, so I'm going to take you guys on the journey of trying this out on my practice board for the drone. So let me turn it on and we'll go from there. Plug it in. It did come with, I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, it came with 5 tips, helping hands, this little dingy dongly, whatever it is, to hold the soldering iron. And it did come with a whole spool of wire here, but this wire right here is for the, it came with this, and I have, see if I can get it. I actually ordered on AliExpress. I thought I ordered 1, but it came with 3 total. So I got 2 more with the wire. So if you order one of these, it's going to come with the wire. And I thought these were actually Mamba, the brand, but they're just kind of cheap knockoff soldering boards. So we're going to find out how good they are. Here we go. Let's turn it on. We'll go to like 420 there. See if I can just angle this camera a little better. See my drone down there. This is the whole purpose of doing this. Just gotta let it heat up first. Ooh, that got hot real quick, ladies and germs. Not gonna lie. Oh, I shall be right back. Alright, we're back. I am nervous because the stand that my phone is on is pretty wobbly, but you know what? We're just gonna chop off some wire down here. Wish me luck, guys, because I don't know what I'm doing. Feels like it's on. Ooh, that is hot. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen. You guys won't believe me, but that is my first solder ever. Can you see that? I'll point at it. Right there. Dang, dude, I am happy. Ooh. Dang, guys, you're not going to believe me, but this is my first time soldering. What? Dude, I'm serious, guys. I've never done this in my life. Okay, so this is God, I can't even talk. Sorry. I did not think it was going to turn out this good. Let's see if I can get a close up for you guys what I just did. And you know, I obviously just did it, so come on, camera. There we go. Those 2 right there are touching, but whatever. Those 2 are not touching, so wow. And my temperature is at 423 Celsius. Dang, guys, I don't know what to say. That's pretty good. Let me see if I can just remove it. So I can practice more. I don't know why it's not coming off. Interesting. Whatever. It's kind of a cheaper board. That's weird. I don't know why it's not coming off. Bummer. Let's try this again and just see if I can actually see if that was just luck or if I'm actually really good at it. All right, there we go. There's one right there. Bro, how is this so easy right now? Am I just out of it? Sorry, guys, I'm just surprised. I never thought it was going to be like this. Okay, camera, you don't want to focus? Come on, don't be an idiot. We're not here to play games. There we go. There's another one. And I'm going to tell you guys something that you probably won't believe me, but that's up to you. So here's those new ones I did. Look at those right there. Those are pretty dang good if you ask me. First time ever soldering.